Hey, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So friends, today in this video we're watching the beautiful wardrobe designs. There you can see there are the beautiful wardrobe designs with different colors, different size. So friends, if you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section. A well-designed wardrobe maximizes the use of available space, allowing you to store clothes, accessories and other items neatly and efficiently. So you must know the importance of wardrobe designs. Like a customized wardrobe design caters to individual needs and preference, ensuring that it aligns with the user lifestyle and daily routine. Another important tip, a wardrobe can enhance the overall look of your bedroom, adding to its decor and contributing to a more pleasant environment. A proper design ensures that frequently used items are easily accessible, saving time and effort when getting dressed or organized. A well ventilated and well organized wardrobe helps to maintain clothing in good condition, preventing wrinkles and damage. So friends, there you can see these are all the beautiful and latest wardrobe designs. So when you're planning to make the wardrobe, you should remember another more important points, like first you select the material which is proper material for your wardrobe. There are different types of material like MDF board, plywood, but MDF board is the now become the more popular, so you can go with that. Another thing, the color combination of your wardrobe. So when you're selecting the colors for your wardrobe, first it should be matched with your room color and with the room decoration, with the other furniture which are available in the room. Third important point is that the size of the wardrobe. If your room is small, then go with the small wardrobes, because this is a better. If you make the big larger wardrobes in a small rooms, then your room become very look very small and congested. Wardrobes start the price from 1000 rupees per square feet to it goes to 1600 rupees per square feet. It depends on the designs which you select and the materials which are used for the wardrobe making. In this video there you can see there are the beautiful wardrobe designs with different color shades with and different, even with the sliding wardrobes are now become the popular. So when you're planning to make the wardrobe, first you let survey the market, what are the price for wardrobe and what are the materials price to make the wardrobe. You must have the knowledge of this. If you don't know the knowledge properly, if you don't know the price and all these things, then maybe the your vendor may ask you the more price. So you should be know the proper knowledge of wardrobes and the materials which are used for. If you want more details, you can ask me in the comment section or you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. And even the wardrobes have lots of advantages as it maximizes the storage capacity. Like custom wardrobes designs optimize every inch of space, providing ample room for all belongings from clothes to shoes and accessories. Second, it enhances the functionality. Built-in features like pull-out shelves, drawers and compartments make organization easier and more efficient. Third, it is cost efficiency. Investing in a well thought out wardrobe can reduce the need for additional storage solutions, minimizing clutter and future expenses. A well structured wardrobe prevents clutter, making it easier to find out store items quickly. Custom wardrobe designs, when made from quality materials, offer longevity and resilience, saving cost on replacement. Ultimately, a good wardrobe enhances both the functionality and visual appeal. And there you can see these are all the beautiful wardrobe designs with different color combinations. Nowadays it has become more popular, this type of designs, and it has become the fashion to make the wardrobe in your bedroom. Now most 100 to 90% people are making the wardrobe in their bedrooms because it look nice to your interior, and even it is used to store your clothes, utensils, jewelries, many more. So friends, when you're making all these things, keep consider all these important points. And if you have any queries, you can, again I'm saying that you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail id which I mentioned in the description. So friends, if you like my videos, or if you are new to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, then please like and share